UPI, or Unified Payments Interface, is a digital payment system that allows for the transfer of money between bank accounts through a mobile platform. To make a payment using UPI, you will need to have a UPI-enabled bank account and a smartphone with a UPI-supported app, such as Venmo or Google Pay. To make a payment using UPI, you will first need to open the UPI app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you can either scan a QR code to initiate a payment, or you can enter the recipient's UPI ID or bank account information manually. Once you have entered the payment details, you will need to enter the amount of money you want to send and confirm the payment. The money will then be transferred from your bank account to the recipient's account in real time. UPI payments are secure and convenient, as they do not require you to share your personal or financial information with the recipient. This makes them a popular choice for digital payments in India and other countries where they are supported.